Grandfather Clock met Father Time on the corner of Main Street and Memory Lane in the land of days gone by. Grandfather Clock met Father Time. Well, they walked and they talked about each tick and each tock, counting every blessing in life and recounting every Westminster chime. Grandfather Clock and Father Time, watching babies grow up to have babies of their own, grown in gardens grand and glorious, such a goodly heritage, building their very own home, sweet home. Treasure the moment, savor each day. Life is a vapor, dissipating, fading away. Treasure the moment and savor each day. Then said Grandfather Clock as an afterthought to Father Time, the daylight is fleeting, casting shadows on our chance meeting. It would appear we're near the end of the line. So Grandfather Clock and Father Time, having both spoken their piece, embraced and said their goodbyes. Grandfather Clock and Father Time, Grandfather Clock and Father Time.